Just going to talk about what happened today. Yeah, I missed the past 3 days, but hopefully I can give some perspective. People have been paying higher prices every day since FOMC. We broke this high. Now we're seeing a little bit of liquidation potentially. I haven't really, I've seen the news, but who knows what's going on. So, maybe the people just want treasuries, so they're buying them because that's what they've always done. But who knows? So today, here we have the US. This is the US cash open. FOMC Friday. Yep. Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. We've kind of gone higher. We even have a little gap between this high and this low. Gap of a good amount. So I'm looking for the market to try and close that potentially. It might even happen tomorrow and just bounce really quickly. It might go straight through it depending on what comes out tomorrow. I don't know what we're looking at tomorrow, so yeah, but with everyone long, it's going to be a lot of stops, especially if people think that this could be it. So you'll get people moving stops up here to lock in some profit. So that'll accelerate this move downwards until people want to buy again. But volume was really light today. I got involved. I didn't wake up till probably 10 a.m. So I flicked on my monitors, took a little time, and just watched for an hour or so. And it was lunch in New York when I got involved, and I just saw tons of buying down here at 1315. That's what it was. Yeah, 5,000 contracts, 7,000 contracts, a couple of thousand here and there. And that at that point, that was more volume than the whole rest of the day at that low. So I was just like, yep, gotta get in. So I got in, and it just kept coming down, but those big orders kept coming through. So I was like, felt pretty good. And then that news came out late in the day about the Greeks not coming to a deal. And then, so yeah, then I managed to just book my profits. I think with the deal imminent, people are hanging on to their longs for now because they're in a great position. They might be lightening their positions ahead of some big some news that's coming out this week. And so stops, we're gonna see some stops. I think I might have already talked about it. But yeah, everyone's long. I think the market's a little overcooked. This was a little bit exaggerated. Maybe people are thinking, oh wait, hang on a minute. So if we see some lower prices, we might see some liquidation. So I don't know what tomorrow will bring, but stops below here. We've tested this twice. So tested this, but again, I think given that it was, with all that buying, not much of a bounce, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a lower open tomorrow, and we do close this gap and accelerate downwards. If that's the case, then I'll probably get short off the open. Otherwise, for now, that's about it. If we continue to go higher, if we open in range, I expect a pretty quiet day. Again, I guess I haven't looked at what we have data-wise tomorrow. But yeah, if we see any quick spikes downwards, I wouldn't mind getting long. Depending on where we open and what news comes out.